Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty, Nifty and a couple of stocks will behave, and also we'll look out on whatever the levels that we have given yesterday over the plan for the week, and what are the things to look out for. So today in live trading, we had a lot of positions that have actually been carried forward for the next day, and that is the situation at this moment because everything had a very massive breakout, and we wanted to sustain it for the next couple of days. So pretty much we might come up with a big MTM pretty soon. So with that information, if you are looking to join the live trading forum, or if you want to have an understanding about what is happening in the market, so today I gave a free information on Telegram from which the index reversed to more than 300 points from that point. So if you want to do that, then please join the Telegram channel that is being listed below. And if you want to join our live trading services and make similar profits as to what we have done so far, then you can go to our website and subscribe over there. Now, without further ado, let us quickly go ahead and have a look and see what is happening with Nifty. Now, like I did tell you that if Nifty, comes across with this level of 16,285, there is going to be a target of 72 points. So Nifty has actually gone ahead, hit the target. But right now, what we will do is we will go ahead and analyze the market once again and try to understand and see what would be the important level. So there is a trend line that is coming from the top. So this is indicating a bit of a weakness in the index. But, let me just tell you that this is all happening in a channel. So the most important thing that we need to understand is that the supports and resistance over here are getting breached, but there is no much of a follow-up that is happening on the downside. Now, if you understand the first piece over here, now there was a downside indication when Nifty crossed 16,200, but immediately there was a buying that has happened. So if we look at the order flow, things look completely different, and it looks quite exciting as to what is happening. So let me just take you to the order flow over here. So Nifty at this moment, let me just take the August future and let us go ahead with a 1 hour time frame. So as you see that Nifty is getting accumulated on the first 15 minutes of the day. So if you go ahead and see on the 9th of August, there was a huge accumulation of somewhere around 117 lots in future. And there was similarly something that was done on somewhere around 100K lots in the first 1 hour of Friday as well. So these are all indications that there is a massive buying, but people are trying to sell, but that selling is not that evident. So I would say that we can expect an upside target, but that will only happen that if this is decisively broken, the trend line that is coming off the top. Now, of course, we don't have much of the data on the upside, but however, we would need for this trend line to be broken and the confirmation to come onto the top so that we can go ahead and get a decent amount of profit. And I would tell you what would that be over here in terms of the range. Let me just get the Fibonacci because we are already on the top, and it would be irrelevant if we go ahead and have a presumable targets. So over here we are looking at somewhere around 16,448. So that can actually be breached because also remember the Nifty's price is high. So 1%, 2% move can easily give close to 100 points in this index. So a 0.73 up move once if we break out 16,323, that is what is going to happen there. Now, in terms of Bank Nifty as well, Bank Nifty has been into a similar kind of a range, and we had been plotting this out. So let me just plot out the fresh levels for you. So over here, this is a big wall, guys. 36,000 is right now a big wall. Now, I would say a lot of people would say 36,000 as a round number, but I would just want to go ahead and confirm that there would be 100 points inside this range that needs to be broken. So if Bank Nifty decisively breaks somewhere around 36,217. So the first target would be somewhere around 36,500 as per our previous levels. So we can look at this 272 points. If tomorrow Bank Nifty opens gap up, sustains above 36,100 and then breaks, then we can have the same thing. Now, similarly, I want to just reflect on one similar pattern that was happening on the last 3 days as well. So it was the Tuesday, where the breakout actually happened last week. So we can see a similar kind of a range that has been formed for the last 3 days. So there might be something on the upside or the downside. Whichever side it does, there is going to be a massive up move. So we should anticipate that. But however, until and unless Bank Nifty is below 35,656, I won't be interested to buy the puts. But however, if then that moves there, then I will go ahead and look for a target of somewhere around 35,244. Until this range, so massively, we won't be doing anything so far. Now let us go ahead and look at the few stocks that I picked over the weekend and how they've performed. So the first thing that I want to tell you was about the RBL Bank. RBL Bank, there was no much of a movement, so we will skip this over here. Let's change it to the 15 minutes time frame. So RBL Bank did not move any much. Sriram Transport did move below this level of 1315, and it hit somewhere around 1% target on the downside. The biggest excitement was IRCTC. This was the killer one. Well, like I did say on my previous video, 2,535, if that has been broken, then we will see 2,698. So this is going that particular direction, and this target is about to be achieved. And even in terms of Tata Chemicals, it is still trying to go ahead and break for the upside. So we need to go ahead and have a look. On my list would be IRCTC tomorrow, and there would also be Adani Enterprises. Now, Adani Enterprises, like I told you, that until and unless 15,009 seven if I would say 1597, so 1597, if that is not being broken, then this is not going to get the strength, because it has crossed the golden ratio, but it needs more push to go to the upside. So with this information, I'll leave you for the day. And if you want to join our live trading forum, you can visit our website www.rltrgroup.com. If you want to see the progress and join our Telegram channel, then the link is given on the description below. With this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a fabulous day ahead with your loved ones. Take care. We'll see you on another video tomorrow. Love you. Jai Hind. Goodbye.